We are very proud to celebrate 76th Republic Day in our college.
Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secure, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt and act and give to ourselves this Constitution.
जय श्रीमान एनसीसी कैंडिडेट्स आपके निरीक्षण के लिए अजरब
I would like to invite Aaron sir to visit the guard party.
Now we are watching the proud NCC cadets performing the march past. The parade is being led by the Senior Under Officer M. Egna. He has represented our college at Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat and Intergroup Republic Day camp. Now we are watching the senior contingent being led by the Junior Under Officer B. Shravani. She has represented our college Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat and Intergroup Republic Day camp. Now we are watching Junior Division being led by the cadet Sergeant Major Princess.
నేను కనుక హిందూ అయితే నన్ను బాధ్యతగా నడిపించేది ఒక భగవద్గీత, నేను ముస్లిం అయితే నన్ను బాధ్యతగా నడిపించేది ఖురాన్, నేను క్రిస్టియన్ అయితే నన్ను బాధ్యతగా నడిపించేది బైబిల్. అదేవిధంగా ఐఎమ్ ఏ ఇండియన్ అని చెప్తే నన్ను బాధ్యతగా నడిపించేది మా భారత రాజ్యాంగం. వీఆర్ ఆల్ ఇండియన్స్.
Then honor to stand before you all as we are celebrating Republic Day today. It is 76th Republic Day.
गणतंत्र दिवस के अवसर पर एकत्रित हुए हैं। हर साल 26 जनवरी को हम गणतंत्र दिवस मनाते हैं। यह दिन हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि इसी दिन हमारा संविधान लागू हुआ था। हमारा देश विविधता में एकता का प्रचारक है। हम अपने देश को एकता और अखंडता को बनाए रखना होगा। Thank you all cadets for your valuable speech. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। Sir, to deliver his speech.
Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. It's almost 75 years down the line. On 26th of 1950, the Constitution of India was adopted, making India a republic, a democratic republic that guarantees right to equality, fraternity, right to profess, practice, and propagate religion of his choice. Along with these rights, there are responsibilities which we should also follow. The rights are not absolute. So down the line, if you see, there were a lot of freedom fighters who paid the ultimate sacrifice of their lives. That's how we got independent. we should be very conscious of this. Whatever activity we do, whatever actions we take, we should never lose sight of those sacrifices because of which today we are in a free India. So we should have a disciplined workforce. As school students and engineering students, we can take an oath to contribute towards a disciplined force, upskill themselves, learn technologies that can empower India. Today it is the third largest economy. We hope today, in the shortest possible time, to make it to the number one. Thank you.